진짜 it's worse than IRL streaming이야. 잠깐만. Okay. Let me play raids then after I finish downloading. 시끄러 임마. 놀래라. 내 생각에 we gotta finish this while we like once I finish uploading my videos, because I only like 30 minutes, like 20 minutes. But you guys can keep doing it till 10 while I talk about my stories. All you have to do is click, guys. It's lots of clicking, just lots of clicking. Just keep clicking. Just click. And what's good about this is that it's gonna pay for my backend server, my cloud server, because you know how much it is every month? It's roughly $26 for my cloud service. If I don't, you know. And if it's like not that much for $26. It's so expensive. 클라우드 서비스 제가 지금 트위리 올려놓은 게 26불이나 돼요. 그래서 thank you, Fern. Yeah. So Fern, what are you doing? Fern, your goal is to hit 25. Yeah, it's auto mode. So get to it, guys. I will talk more in terms of the analytics portion. Analytics? What the heck is that, Jenny? The analytics portion of Chicago, but let's just talk briefly about the whole scheme of Chicago. I am like so late to my stream because I'm having trouble with it. But yeah, overall it was just fun, exciting. We got to do a lot of stuff. You know. Actually, what Iris recommended for downloading the Speedify actually helped the last day, so I'm guessing it's actually better. Cause I remember you guys were saying I was teleporting more instead of like freezing more, so I will be using that. I did pay 15. It wasn't actually free the first month, but it's fine. It's only 15, right? That's why, okay. If one of you guys do raid, then you guys are paying for my Speedify. So, yeah, cause I'll be golfing to Iris, and like, I'm like teleporting my golf. Like, my golf plays are like half the time like being teleported. So, yeah. It's not even like distance-wise. I'm like once like walking around, and then the other time I'm basically like hitting a ball. So everyone, you know, kind of gets tired of watching my golf stream. So, yeah. Yeah, and then like the ball, suddenly I hit the ball, and like I could see you guys saying, "Oh, 눈꽃님, 눈꽃님." 맛있는 거 사줄게요. 열심히 해주세요. my New York trip interns. My New York interns. If you guys work hard. 만난 거 사줄게. 만난 거 사줄게요. 맛있는 거 사줄게. 진심. 나 이번에 지른 거 봤지? 멋있게 카드 막 그르는 거 봤죠? 일단 골프비는 제가 다 낼게요. 드라이빙 레인지만. Wait, I'm buying the steak? Oh, not the steak. But I'll buy you the driving range fee. Yeah, so yeah, don't forget, guys. 1월까지 있어야지. You guys didn't get to see, like, you know, we will bet. But 괜찮아요. 이따 가요. 그냥 밤늦게까지 가면 되지. 아이, 랩탑 들고 그날 Study with me 스트림 나랑 같이 하면 되겠네. 일요일날 Study with me 딱 하고 저녁 먹고 새벽 비행기 타고 가면 되겠다. perfect. perfect. 그럼 내 짐꾼과 그 방송용 스트리머 방송용 투수 한 명 끼고 my brother, he's behind me, but he was like, oh, so how, like, did you have fun? I was like, yeah. He's like, oh, like, who'd you go play golf with? I'm like, a viewer? Because I had no one to play golf. And my brother goes, that's so sad. You have no friends to play golf. And I'm like, hey, shut up. 아, shoot. So, 우리 오빠가 진짜 어제 나한테 오늘 아침 딱 도착하자마자 이제 시카고 여행 이제 얘기했거든요. Even my brother told me that I should go home, and he actually saw me like partying so hard. He was like giving me that like, this feels weird. Yeah, he saw the first night, not the second night. You know, it's like of all nights you would see the first night, right? Yeah, I actually asked him. Yeah, he actually saw me with the blondies, and he was like, not gonna judge you. I was like, okay. just chill. It wasn't a big thing. What the hell is that? Okay, one process started, right? So yeah. The night was wild. It felt like I was in college, but yeah, let's go, Tom. Tom, let's go. Tom, level 10, and I'll pay for the fees to go to the driving range. Is this actually a good thing or a bad thing? I'm not sure. Is taking my interns to a driving range a positive thing or a negative thing? We learned lawyers party it up on Friday nights. I was like, wow. Yeah, if you guys get to level 10, you guys will get paid. And then, like I said, it actually pays for our server fees for Tweety and other fees for the business. So it really does depend a lot on you guys, so work hard. Anyways, overall, it was nice meeting friends, families. It was interesting. I was shocked that they weren't checking, you know, my vaccine card. It was kind of sad. Because, you know, I worked hard to get my vaccine card. You know. So, but I'll prepare for New York. And then, yeah, kind of keeping up, like, you know, getting updated with the schedules. Did you do it? Reload. Refresh? 오늘이요? 이거 이쁜 거예요. 이거 그거예요. 이거 그거. 이거 그거예요. Sailor Moon 맞아. 루나. Oh, okay. So I can see. Oh, Jojo actually completed the tutorial. Oh, okay. 눈꽃님. Okay. Secretary. Okay, Fred. You guys just finished the tutorial. 자트님도 요거 하시면 돼요. 요거 레이드 해주시면은 그 제가 깎아 살 돈이 생기거든요. 여러분 조금 열심히 해주세요. 돈 많이 될 테니까. 그래도 돈에 안 할 거면 깎아라도 사줘. 아니 이게 얼마나 긍정적인 이유인지. Do you guys want me to go the whole like you know, like persuading stream of why you guys need to do raid? There you go, there's one. Oh, and also they have really good like animation. Isn't that a good animation? Okay, let me go through my whole like tutorial of why you guys should be doing the raid. 왜 여러분들이 레이드를 해야 되는지 제가 그 설득을 해드릴게요. Okay? How did I... 마이크로소프트 와이퍼를 안 다운받아줬는데? Yeah. Oh, really? That's so weird. It said it wasn't supposed to cut your name, though. That's so weird. 아 맞아 이거 머리카락이에요. So, the link isn't working? It should work. That's the right link. Try it. Yeah, it should work. What did I use to like write? 여기서 내가 무슨 앱을 썼지? 내가 여기 무슨 앱으로 그림 그렸더라? I will just use paint then. 광채가 난다고? 이마가 넓으면 그럴 수밖에 없죠. 야. Thank you guys. Let's try to hit 60. 너 빼. Guys, by the way, with the money, I bought this. I officially bought this. 결국 샀어요. $200. Holy cow, guys. Holy cow. 14 terabytes. Oh, it was 25. Can you hit up to 25, guys? Mark now. 이게 14 terabyte 그 용량 그거예요. 제가 이거 있거든요. 요거를 있어. 여기에 지금 이게 1 terabyte이에요. This is 1 terabyte? 외장하드를 샀거든요. This is 1 terabyte, guys, right? And it's filled up. 벌써 이거 채워가지고 너무 화가 나서 왜냐면은 막 풀 영상을 그래도 유튜브에 어떻게든 올리고 있거든요. 그런데 이제 막 방송을 하다가 여러 번 끊기면은 그거를 하나 짜집고 그거를 그대로 올리려고 하는데 그것도 안 되고 있는 거야. 그래서 그냥 그럴 바에는 14 테라바이트 사자 해서 20만원 주고 샀어요. So taking off that to buy that. I know I have so much videos and I'm slowly like editing. So okay guys, I am going to explain you the reason why you guys need to do raid shadows. Are you guys ready? I will give you a good reason. 왜 raid shadow를 해야 되는지 좋은 예시를 드릴게요. 롤 하고 싶다. 롤 재밌겠다. Hello, Skip. How are you? Skip Ernim. Just kind of. Hello. 14 terabytes not enough. Hi, Mia. Hello. Hello. Welcome. I did not expect a big raid. Swear to God, I wasn't streaming for you. Just kidding. I really wasn't. Hi guys! Hi everyone! Nice to meet you. Thank you for the shout out. Hi! Hi! Right now I'm doing a raid campaign and I'm trying to convince my viewers why they should be doing raid. But before we do that, I will do my raid dance because I do my raid dance. And I do want to say this, guys, since Mia's chat is here. Mia, I actually lied. I actually did know Kiyomi song. I just wanted you to do it. Oh, Aaron, thanks for gifting a sub to Skipper name. Thank you. 감사합니다. Hi, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Mark, for gifting a gift sub to Mia. Yeah, I am so sorry, Mia. I actually wanted my chat and your chat to get a free Mia Aegyo, because those are expensive. Like, I don't know about you, but Aegyos are expensive. So I just wanted to give you guys a free, like Aegyo from Mia. So I kind of acted as if I didn't know. But thank you! And I was worried because one of my chat actually said, Jinri, you got better at acting. And I was trying to like hide it and like trying to get your attention towards me. And it was all natural. So we're all good. And also, I will just have to say, I am a dancer, Mia. I didn't mean to, like, scam you the first time I met you. But, yeah, I've done ballroom dancing for a couple of years. Ballet. I do a lot of K-pop covers. So let me just kind of give you an introduction so you kind of know who I am. I like feel bad I like scammed you so much yesterday. So I'll tell you guys who I really am. But today I am programming, so oh shoot, 내 leggings 너무 야한데? It's leggings, guys. 아이씨. Yeah. 오, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Guys, I had like problem with 그냥 이렇게 하자. 씨, 기겁했다. 씨, my face. 나만 없어 고양이. Yep, wrong one. That scared the crap out of me, guys. I was trying to do the triple cam, but I guess it didn't really work. Hi guys, hi from Mia's chat. My name is Jinri. I basically am a programming business stock streamer. That's not a lie. I do a lot of dance covers on my Instagram, so different channels. I have different channels for different stuff because I like doing so many stuff, but like I get really tired. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me on all my YouTube channels, my first one, I have one for programming. I talk about like different languages. I do stocks, company reviews, and then I do like vlog stuff. So yeah, that's basically my stream, guys. I didn't mean to scam Mia, but if I collab with Mia again, I will teach her how to dance to K-pop. Any next popular K-pop dance that you want to learn, I'm going to teach you. Because I like teaching my friends K-pop dances. So. How is this for I do program, guys. Just give me a second. I do program. I am going to program today. We're just kind of having a slow day because I was having like technical difficulties. But yeah. Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. 춤이 늘었다고요? 감사합니다. Yeah. What the heck is rolling version 12? No collab anymore? I'm going to go stalk. I'm a stalk Yumi. I'm just kidding. It's okay. Or if you don't like dancing, we can go play golf. I'll let you go play golf. Like, we can go play golf together. Because that's also another thing I've been teaching streamers what to do. So, yeah. So my stream is basically kind of like an education stream. So, oh, thank you, Jojo, for level 25. Or, sorry, 10. And going on to 25. So. You mean the online golf? No, I actually do play golf. Dancing is... Yeah, I know. I can see that she's actually a dancer. She just doesn't want to show it off. She doesn't want to show her moves, so... You have a dove dance? Damn, what's that? I want to know. You have a golf dance? Damn, what are all these dances that I'm like learning about? So, oh, there's a clip too? So, who on Mia's chat is a programmer? Raise your hand. Coffee tasting collab stream sounds so fun. Hi everyone. What's programming? So coding? Like, for example, guys, you know what's shocking? Like, Twitch is all made up of code. Hey dude, shut up. Dude. Shut the F up. Oh! Hey, Evil, I know you're a programmer. Ah, coder. That's good. So let me kind of explain to you guys what I do. I don't usually do my like app first, but I can do that for you guys because Mia's chat is here, and it's a good way for me to like yeah, like the print stuff and then like this stuff, that stuff. So let me just kind of show you what we made as a chat. So our community likes to make stuff. Let me clear that up for you because my chat's gonna riot. Let me just say, my community is forced to make stuff that I like. Do you like that better? Is that a better explanation? Hi, Dolly. Okay, so what we made as a team, basically, what chat made with me, PMing, being the project manager, is this app or this platform called Twiri. And basically what it's supposed to do is very, you know, simple. It's supposed to help you discover new Twitch streamers who are just your type. So I know you guys like was like lucky enough to find Mia, but let's say you didn't have that like opportunity to have that like perfect moment to meet Mia, you know, like then you could just use our app and actually get to know her. Yeah. Like, there's probably, like, although Mia is still really famous, like, all around the world as, like, the most beautiful and nicest and wholesome pianist out there, there's still gonna be people that doesn't know her. Right? Right? So the goal of our thing is to allow... Oh, is that scary? They... Somewhat? Somewhat? Okay. So the goal of our thing is to allow like kind of small streamers to get to, for you guys to know or get to see small streamers out there. Especially because you don't really scroll down and Twitch has a really bad way of finding like new streamers. So basically you use this, you know, you answer some question, like let's say you want to see Jinri and like, or let's sorry. Whew. Let's say you want to see like, you know, that, and then like I like science and tech, maybe it's a bit of just chatting. Let's just do music actually. I think I could get Iris. You know, like I like everyone's chatting on it. They gotta be at least family friendly. Oh, bye Mia! Thanks for the raid again. Thank you so much. You know, like I like friendly, maybe a little dorky, wholesome. You know, but a bit serious, smart, maybe a bit weird, I don't know. And then I like artistic, maybe silly and weird. From streamers, I like the wholesome. You know, and then like the viewership's around like 400. And then, yeah, it's a female. Obviously, you guys like females. That's gonna like recommend you guys a streamer. And you get this girl! Who is she? 진짜 usually Iris shows up. 진짜 usually Iris shows up. 잠깐만, maybe you weren't wholesome, Iris. Maybe your chat didn't pick wholesome. 잠깐만, DB issue. Extended! 잠깐, extended. What did you put it for, Iris? 기다려봐. Oh, this is kind of awkward. Just give me 1 second. 다시 cut. 다시 cut. 잠깐만, cut. 잠깐만, cut. Let's do this again. Yeah, it's extended. 잠깐만, restart. 잠깐만. No, Hero, no. Mia didn't show. Mia will show, guys. Give me a second. 잠깐만. 잠깐. Error. Anna. What the heck is this one? Okay, cut. 자, replay. Okay. So, you know, you want to find a streamer you want. So let's try to get like Iris Kim, right? You were like, you know, I want to get this like really like amazing singer. You know, she likes to get drunk. I think she's a bit wholesome. Yeah, and then like a bit of engaging, artistic, and friendly. So let's try to get her, you know, right. You know, like probably music. I like listening to music, you know. Like, mature. I don't think we're mature. Okay, we're mature. Hi Raider, how are you? You know, like they're like, you know, I want a chat that's, you know, kind of like, I'm not cheating, but you know, kind of, I don't know, chat should be chill, you know, maybe a bit comfy. Where's comfy? I can't see comfy. I swear I saw comfy. Do we delete comfy? Is it just me who can't find comfy? Okay, well, like we'll like skip that. Oh, chat's kind of shy. I think chat. I like chat that's shy and like spams emote, and you know, I like wholesome chat, right? And then, you know, like, shut up, Jolly. You know, I think the streamer should kind of be like artistic. Engaging would be great. I like it when the streamer is kind of like talking to me. I like it when they're friendly and, you know, kind of, shy is good, but, you know, the person gotta be silly, right? 잠깐만. 이게 아마 이때인지 안 했을까? You know, probably a female. And you get the data and you're kind of like, oh my god! I got Iris! Oh my god! So, thanks, reader. Oh my god! Like, oh my god, this wholesome. She must be super wholesome. We gotta see how she looks like. Like, where the hell did my chat go, by the way, on this freaking thing? But, oh my god, that's so good! Shut up. So, anyways. How rigged is this? If you pick science and tech, mostly it comes out to be me, because there's not that many streamers that's being inputted, so, yeah. We'll actually be programming this, finding bugs. I haven't worked on it for 2 weeks, so we're, like, getting back on it. So, if you guys wanna... Oh, we actually did hard code this, actually, shockingly. We didn't actually use any framework, so it was bugged. Shut up. But for now, where am I getting my metrics? We basically have chat who gave me a good. Oh yeah. So it's kind of like Wikipedia. So chat provides the information and we just plug it in our DB. We made crowdsourced. Thank you, Natu. There was a simpler word for that. And my brain's not working because I haven't worked on this for so long. I haven't even PM'd this. Like, you know, PR this, not PM this. PR this is so long, guys. Ooh, wrong screen, guys. Sorry, chat. Before we do anything, can I just say one thing, guys? Yeah, there's actually not that many... Sorry, chat. Yeah. 움직여봐, 임마. There's actually not that many Portuguese streamers on my database. Oh my god, what the heck? I have an issue, guys. Yeah, I count on chat. We get like multiple, and then so we have my chat, my interns go and actually watch her, and if it like, you know, satisfies the result, then we kind of go with it. If it's kind of like, you know, sketchy, then we're kind of like, okay, well, Like, if someone put, like, toxic for Iris, obviously, like, our chats kind of be like, okay, that's, like, a false information. We're not gonna accept this, like, thing. But, you know, like, she's shy. You know she's shy. I don't know. Maybe that's not true, but... Dude, I don't know, man. Iris, this trip, you've, like, overcome your shyness. 아, 여기선 안 뜬다. 잠깐만요. 됐어요? 여기다 해놔야 돼. 해놔야 되는데 까먹었어, 내가. 씨, 겁나 커, 이거 진짜. 오질라겠고. 아, 진짜. 스트리머 하기 힘들다. So, before we go on, guys, let me kind of give you a whole reason why, if you don't mind spending a bit of time, why you guys should be doing Ray Shadows. So let me give you guys a question. Thank you, Majo, for hitting level 10. So who knows what Ray Shadows is? Raise your hand. Who has heard about this game called Ray Shadows? 맞냐, 이 이름이? Raise your hand. We're gonna go through this whole talk of why you guys must download this and play it. So, for people who don't know this, it's a very, very fun game. It's a very fun game, right? It's a fun game. You spend money because obviously, guys, as a intern. So for those who don't understand this like intern concept, my stream is branded as a business, as a company, and I am the boss. You guys can call me boss, and you guys are basically unpaid interns. You guys basically work for me for free by giving me different opinions, ideas, feedbacks, blah blah blah. So we have different division. All the streamers do become HR, so you guys have to respect them, or else they don't pay you, or they don't, you know, give you guys anything. Shoot, Majo's having fun. I swear he's gonna be playing that all day. Yeah. Shut up, Josh. So you get to spend money, and it's a theory that, you know, chat actually don't have enough places to spend money. Like, who here buys clothes? Raise your hand. Who buys clothes? Hi, Mr. Popsicle. How often do you buy clothes, right? You bought a socks today? Yeah. You know. How often do you buy? Oh, every season you buy clothes? Yeah. See, during the pandemic, you guys were all at home. I swear, positive. You guys were wearing trunks below, but like the same t-shirt on top because, you know, like you're doing a video call, right? They're not gonna smell you, so you can be wearing the same shirt, right? So you're not spending as much money on clothing. Food! Irish, shush. Right? And then like for food, how many of you guys go out to eat? Probably, you know, just get stuff at home, lazy to cook. I mean, you probably order food, right? But, you know, like, you'd rather spend some money on streamers. But if you don't have money for streamers, you know, whatever, right? So Raid is a perfect game. No, alcohol does not count. Raid is a perfect game for you to spend money on, right? But you don't always have to. Now, let me kind of give you the whole picture of what Raid does to streamers. Just one, like, whole picture, okay? Whole picture. So, who actually checked their bank account after the end of the month on how much you spend on streamers? Who've actually done that? Yeah. Yeah, Who cried about checking your bank account after spending so much money on streamers? Right? And it's not a bad thing. For us, for like streamers like us, we really thank you deep down. But like at one point, I swear to God, you start noticing how smaller your interns have been paying compared to like earlier this year. Oh crap! Thank you! Oh shoot, thanks for gifting a sub. Okay, don't... Try not to look at your, thing, like, for November. Right? So who kind of recently noticed that, like, you know, you've been spending less money on streamers and that, like, streamers are kind of being, like, disappointed in you? Just kidding. They don't get disappointed, but they kind of do notice it. So they try to find different ways to like, yeah. Like, let me just point out fingers, like Snow. He was like hardcore, like, you know, like being an angel investor. But now, he's just an angel. Investor, like, got, like, rid of. It's just deleted. And you see that guy Maju over there? He's just an A. Just kidding, okay. I'm gonna stop. But anyways, perfect. Keep gifting to Iris. Anyways, so what this does to you, you're just an A+ student. That's what I'm saying. You're an A+ intern, Maju. So what this does to you is basically you're gifting streamers gifts and donos, right? How easy is that? All you gotta do is couple of clicks and you're done. Just couple clicks and you're so good to go. You don't have to like give me extra money. You don't have to do so and so. All you gotta do is hit level 25 at max 25, minimum 10, max 10, and minimum 10. Oh, sorry, max 25, minimum 10. But if you're really like craving to spend some money because Raid Shadows is so fun, feel free. Like minimum $5. And it actually does help you. It actually does help streamers too get some. Right? So, yeah. Yeah, too. If you guys reach 25, have you know? So if this is like, if 10 is this, 25 gets you this. Okay? And do I like, you know, force you guys? No. Every decision you make on your own. But guys, remember, boss only looks for money, right? As a CEO, we just go searching for money. Right? No. Okay, so I know I have a lot of IT interns and you guys are like talking about macros. Okay, let's not go that far. That's kind of shady. I mean, you could make multiple accounts and stuff, but it's gonna be kind of shady, guys. I don't know, let's not brag about how we're like such a smart IT interns. But so I just need like a couple of people, maybe like 60, you know. I let's quote unquote. Oh, it's fine. Ashen, is it fine? Ashen, can you share that like link with everyone? Oh, is it fine? Okay. We got approval, guys. We got approval. Oh, really? But anyways, we need like at least, let's say at least, guys, this, right? So okay, let's not be too real about it. But you know, that's my speech, that's my you know, trying to convince you guys to play it. But you don't have to if you really feel like this isn't the game for you. because basically I'm still doing like a promotion for the game to be played on. And that, like, you know, if you guys want to support me as a streamer, it's something you could always do. But you know, I do check your names. Now in Korean. Thank you. 자, 이제 한국어로 이제 설명드리겠습니다. I will have to explain it in Korean because I do have a couple of Korean viewers. So, just give me a second. 자, crop. 귀찮아 이게. 오케이. 거기까지 알아들었다고? 자, let me just translate into Korean and all you just gotta be is nodding and say 넵. 오케이? 자, 여러분 레이드 섀도우라는 게임 들어봤나요? 섀도우? 레이드 섀도우라는 게임 들어봤어요 혹시? say 네. 여러분 이거 안 들어봤구나. 자, 이거를 어떻게 다운받냐? 느낌표 레이즈라는 거를 하시면은 이제 게임 링크라는 게 나와요. 링크가 나오고 거기서 이제 게임을 다운받아서 게임을 하세요 라는 이제 그런 문구가 나옵니다. 자, 이거를 왜 해야 되나? 그쵸? 왜 해야 되나? 자, 일단은 여러분 여태까지 진니TV 진니 사장님한테 여태까지 쓴 돈이 얼마인지 혹시 보셨나요? 혹시 이거 아닐까요? 이거나 최대한 이거일 수도 있고 우리 한국 투수들은 좀 많이 안 쓰더라고. 그쵸? 그런데 여러분 이 게임을 하잖아요? 그러면은 이게 공이 2개 붙을 수 있고 막 3개 붙을 수도 있고 막 4개 붙을 수도 있어요. 사실 그 정도까지 안 가지만 하여튼 많이 도움이 되는 게임이라 가지고 여러분들이 이제 좋게 봐주시면은 이거 한 번씩 딱 해주고 하면은 그쵸. 그런데 이제 이게 운 좋은 게 이제 다양한 계정을 만들어 가지고 그치 무슨 말인지 알겠죠? 척하면 척 알죠? 자, 다만 물론 우리가 네이버 아이디가 있겠지. 네이버에 우리가 계정 하나 있겠죠? 네이버에도 계정 하나 있고 다음도 있겠지. 그쵸? 다음도 있고 구글도 있고 야후도 있고 What are some old 뭐 있냐? 뭐 마이크로소프트 어카운트도 있고. 자, 그러면 이거를 다 하나씩 해주면은 우리가 몇 명이 올라갈까요? 인당 거의 1인당 한 4명만 해도 자 60명 나누기 4 하면 얼마야? 우리가 딱 한 15명만 있으면 이거 끝낸다는 소리야. 나가 임마. 딱 15명만 쫙 하면 돼요. 알겠죠 여러분 무슨 소리인지? 그래서 열심히. 자, 그런데 그것뿐만 아니라 여러분 25라는 숫자가 있어요. 레벨이 우리가 10까지 있는 게 아니라 이게 한 60까지 찍을 수 있거든요. 맥스가 60일걸요? 근데 25까지 찍는다 쳐봐. 끝났어. 여기서부터 금액이 달라져. 오케이? 그래서 여러분 알아서 판단 잘 하시고, 저는 이제 우리가 왜 레이드라는 좋은 게임을 해야 되는지에 설득을 한 거고 이제 프로모션을 했습니다. 여러분 감사합니다. So, that's all for you know, my speech, my pitch out for why you guys should be playing Raid, because it's an amazing game, you know, and it's really fun. You know, you get really addicted, and it's not like you have to even have control. Like if you suck at FPS, it's not needed. All you gotta do is just do some clicking, and it'll be fun. By the time you know it, you'll just be playing like madly. So, thanks guys. 누구리 감사합니다. 계정 3개 감사합니다. 자, 이제 핫메일도 하고 야후도 하고 다 하자. 네. Anyways, let's move on. 야, use Cyworld, use so and so. 그리고 이 최소 5,000원을 게임에 쓰시면은 저한테 구독권이 날라온대요. 구독권 날라온다 해서 여러분들 돈 쓰고 싶으면 써도 되고. Hashtag Raydashin, thank you for tier 1 sub for 5 months in a row. Woo, thanks. So, 그게 진짜 애매하긴 해요. 근데 그거는 있어. 무슨 느낌이냐면, 물론 게임에 쓰면은 게임에 그거 도움이 많이 되겠지만, 또한 그것도 있지. 그러면은, 이 사람 되게 여기 시청자들이 이 게임에 많이 썼으니까 또 이런 기회를 줄 수도 있고. 그런 거를 많이 생각해야 돼요. 그래서 결국엔 투수들이 여기다 쓰는 돈이 투자라고 생각하시면 될 것 같아요. So, we will play Raid soon. But thank you guys for helping out. 그치. 그러면 이 사람 덕분에 뭐 어느 정도 금액이 올라갔다. 아니면 어느 정도 게임이 뭐 진행됐다. 뭐 이렇게. 자, so let's move on to Science and Tech. Let's go over there. Let's move to Science and Tech, guys. We like Science and Tech. We don't like being at just chatting. 뭐냐? Develop. Software. Let's go to software and game development, guys. So we didn't get to pick a language last time. So if you guys have any language that you guys want to learn about today, feel free to tell me. We'll just do that language. And then after we finish that, we'll vote. We actually have talked about Lisp. So what basically we do is we go through and what we go through is we kind of go through the Wikipedia, talk about a programming language. So if you guys want to give me some ideas on what you guys want to learn, feel free to tell me. What we've learned so far, level 10 doesn't work on mobile? Are you sure? Oh, it worked! Thanks! So far we have done... Shoot, that's pretty cool, Tom. That's awesome. So what we've done is R, Python, JavaScript, C. We've actually done TensorFlow. Scheme? I don't think we've done Scheme. Let's talk about Scheme today. That's a good one. Yeah, we've actually talked about Go and R. R was the first one. We talked about Rust. 다 했지. 마, 내 누군데? 마, 다 했지, 마. 마, 그 정도는 마. 다 했지, 마. 어렵지 않다, 마. Oh, Scheme is just Lisp dialect? Oh. We've done TypeScript. No, we haven't done TypeScript. Let's do TypeScript then. If you guys want to rewatch how it was done, it's on my programming stream. 뭐냐? YouTube. I forgot the link. Anyone have the link for that? 진짜 나는 스트리머가 아닌 것 같아. We've done COBOL. Everything's not up there. I haven't been able to edit my stream when I was in Chicago. Guys, talking about editing, I am so close of wanting to get like a computer to edit, but I think I just don't have. I don't think I will actually. If I go on trips, I don't think I'll edit my things anyways. 이 편집이라는 게 되게 애매한 게 여행을 갔을 때 편집 안 할 것 같아. 내 스스로가 느껴져. I think yeah, I wanna like editing laptop. 그게 아니라 있었는데. 그걸 저번에 만들었는데 유튜브를 그냥 한 번에 쫙 여러 개 리스트하게끔 제가 그거 변경시키려고 했는데 그치 이번에 안 한 거 보면은 나 진짜 이거는 Okay, I don't know what it is. 나중에 찾지 마. Yeah, I know, but like a lot of my stream doesn't need like really like crazy effect editing anyway, so time to do some coding challenge. It's okay. So, 잠깐만. So we're doing TypeScript today. Oh guys, thank you. 너를 여기로 옮기고 이렇게 하고. Why is this showing? 이걸로 할 거거든요. 오케이. 잠깐 레이드 오빠 잠깐 넣어둘게. 레이드 잠깐 빠빠이. There's a language called Jelly? Okay. Oh shoot. Is that actual language? Actually a language. I can't speak English today. 아 진짜로? We don't allow any messages more than 400 characters. Cause as like a business streamer, people write essays. And at one point I just feel very overwhelmed. So, hi guys! Today we're gonna talk about TypeScript. So when you guys hear about TypeScript, what do you guys think about? What comes to your mind? What reminds you of TypeScript when you guys hear, hey, I use TypeScript to program this? So JavaScript but better. Oh, movie script. Nap time? Why nap time? Movie script. 그 다음에 nap time. TypeScript to do automation, so some type of maybe automation. Pop Shell for Pop OS was written by TypeScript. Okay, so Pop OS, Pop 느낌표 like Pop OS. I'm guessing that's TypeScript, but I'm not gonna write that because that looks very description. A font type. Okay, we have a font type. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to maneuver around this. Oh, sorry guys. Font type. PowerShell. Oh shoot, I can't spell type. PowerShell. I guess for some people it's nap time. Typecasted language, 뭐 etc etc, right? I mean, anytime's nap time. Yeah, it is nap time. Well, you could sleep. So, we'll talk about TypeScript using Wikipedia because it does give you a brief overview of what it is. So let's read through it. So TypeScript is a programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. So, oh, it's Richie. It is strict syntactical superset of JavaScript. So something like 짱. You know 짱 means best. Best? Better than? Oh, 미안해. Sorry, I can't spell. Better? And adds optional static typing to the language. TypeScript is designed for the development of large applications and transcompiles to JavaScript. So it seems like it has some relationship with JavaScript. I think someone did mention it, so good job. As TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, existing JavaScript programs are also valid TypeScript programs. Oh, so you can use JavaScript to do... So if you know JavaScript, knowing TypeScript is easy? You don't like relation? So it's very restricted. 자, TypeScript may be used to develop JavaScript applications, right? For both client-side and server-side execution as Node.js or Deno. I'm guessing these are two types of app? Yup. There are multiple options available for transcompilation. Either the default TypeScript checker can be used, or the Babel compiler can be invoked to convert TypeScript to JavaScript. But I'm still not sure exactly what TypeScript is supposed to do though. I'm just getting the sense that it's a better form of JavaScript and that you can write from TypeScript to JavaScript, but you're kind of being like, well then why don't you just write in JavaScript, right? So I guess the reason why they don't is that TypeScript is easier, right? GNOME Shell makes heavy use of JavaScript, which is probably why Pop Shell makes use of TypeScript. So extra feature, and I think I'm reading safer, so something about safety. Safety might be involved with TypeScript. So it supports definition files that can contain type information of existing JavaScript libraries, much like C++ header files can describe the structure of existing object files. This enables other programs to use the values defined in the files as if they were statically typed TypeScript entities. There are third-party headers files for popular libraries such as jQuery, MongoDB, D3.js. TypeScript headers for the Node.js basic modules are... Ah, shoot. Type safety? All I'm getting is it's just from Microsoft and it's better. It will compile first before it get to JavaScript. But we don't know. It doesn't really define itself that TypeScript is easier than JavaScript. It actually might be harder. So only the smart ones who knows how to use it might use it properly and better. So TypeScript compiler is itself written in TypeScript, compiled to JavaScript. Oh, Apache license 2.0. So Microsoft language is time consuming. Why? TypeScript is included as a first-class programming language in Microsoft Visual Studio. Oh, really? And then So let's read about the history. The intro is always a lot, right? Let me move myself here. Okay. So TypeScript was first made public in October 2012. Ah, shoot, that's when I got into college. 진짜 이때 내가 TypeScript 배웠었으면, if only I learned about TypeScript, I would have been like TypeScript masters, guys, right? After 2 years of internal development at Microsoft, soon after the announcement, Miguel de Icaza praised the language itself, but criticized the lack of mature IDE support apart from Microsoft Visual Studio. Right? So this means VS Code will have great support for TypeScript? So what sucked around 2012 is that you need to use Microsoft Visual Studio MSV, sorry. There's also something called whatever script. Guys, can we just invent a language called JavaScript? And it's gonna be used. It's a better form of JavaScript and you can only type it on Twitch chat. Now that would be a really, really cool language to make. And like, you could like basically like be programming like stuff on chat, right? To make me do something. Wow, cause you know it's like oh really? Well, let's read about it then. So whatever script is actually a language? Oh, I didn't know that though. Wait, really? Let me just kind of quickly Google it. Cause a lot of chat troll, so I don't trust. Oh wait, you're trolling. Hey. Oh. I hate you. But given chat the power to program right here in Twitch chat is gonna be dangerous? Oh. Just kidding. It's okay. Anyways. 잠깐만. 저기요, 님 저리 가줄래요? Okay. So anyways, TypeScript, it's been released 2013. They added support for the generics 2014. The development team announced a new TypeScript compiler claiming 5 times performance gain. There's some more on 2016 and then 2018. The recent version is TypeScript 4.0, been released last year. While 4.0 did not introduce any breaking changes, it added language features such as custom JSX factories. Oh, I have no clue what these are, but it's some type of factories that's included. Nice. 10 print Jinri sings a song, 20 go to 10. Oh shoot, that sounds so confusing. A run, okay. La 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 for 10 seconds. Oh, mother, father, give me $1. Oh. So the design. Let's read about the design. The TypeScript originated from a shortcoming of JavaScript for the development of large-scale applications, both at Microsoft and among their external customers. Challenges with dealing with complex JavaScript code led to demands for custom tooling to ease developing of components in the language. And so TypeScript developers sought a solution that would not break compatibly with the standard and its cross-platform support, knowing that current ECMA script. So there's almost be other script like ECMA. Wow, this design section made kind of zero sense to me. I'm so confused. So developers sought a solution that would not break compatibility with the standard and its cross-platform support. So at certain point they were having issues that wasn't compatible with other platforms, but I guess they fixed it somehow, right? And so now they're getting support of ECMA script. Oh, thanks. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking of LOL code. Some of the features that TypeScript does have is language extension that adds feature to ECMA script 6. Features include all of these, so I'm guessing annotations. But, well, like, what is it supposed to make? Namespaces, tulips. I've heard this in, I'm guessing maybe it's a similar thing as Python. So JavaScript can be annoying because ECMA gets updated every year, but this doesn't. This seems like it's still getting updated often though, or maybe not. We've been comparing it with JavaScript, so there is a section about the compatibility. It's a strict superset of ECMA script 2015, which is itself a superset. As such, a JavaScript program is also a valid TypeScript program. By default, the compiler targets ECMA script 5, the current prevailing standard, but is also able to generate constructs used in ECMA script 3. What? 뭔 소리야 이거? Tuples? Tuples? Is not tool. 그러네. tulips가 아니네. But it is in Python though. I feel like I've seen that like word. Tuples. Tuple. Like 2 plus without like Korean style, like sipopo, like tuple. Like tuple steak. No one gets that? Okay. Type annotation, I think that was mentioned up there. So it's gonna describe individually about the features that's given. Yeah, this is all so 5-head. It's so confusing. Oh, okay. It was like a Korean joke. Because apparently it's pronounced tuple. But like it sounds like the tuper steak. Steak quality, tuper plus, like, you know, like Hanu quality. So the type, not super, tuper, 2 plus, right? Oh, okay. Maybe it's not the same how they're talking about it in the US because it's a Korean thing then, not Korean American thing. So the type annotation, it's supposed to give you some type of adding number. I feel like annotation is something like writing, but it's... There's declaration of files. Declaration, sorry. Classes, apparently they're providing classes. You could make it into private and then do a constructor. Generics, there's modules and namespaces. So the compiler, so development tools. The compiler is called TSC. It's written in TypeScript as we just mentioned earlier. Result, it can be compiled into regular JavaScript and can be executed in any JavaScript engine. So I still don't get why people use TypeScript instead of JavaScript if it's going to be finally being used on JavaScript. People did mention that because ECMA is uploaded or updated every year, so people use TypeScript, but that's weird, right? So if you work in Microsoft, they make you use TypeScript? What does the strongly type represent though? There's the IDE and editor support, so I'm guessing mostly is used in Visual Studio Code, the one that's used in Microsoft. JetBrains, we've heard about JetBrains, supports TypeScript with code completion, refactoring and debugging, blah blah blah. There's Atom, which has a TypeScript plugin. Some online Cloud9 services also support it. So it's like Kotlin or JS++, so it's backend? Nah. Sometimes reading this makes no sense. So because TypeScript is more elegant to work with due to it being strongly typed, you get that type safety before it gets compiled down to ECMA. So it's safely typed. You know, I know you guys are programmers, but as a non-programmer, it sounds kind of funny. Like, not like making fun of you guys. But it's kind of sounds funny when you guys say, guys, it's to write safe. Like, is someone gonna shoot you if you're not like safe with it? I don't know, I'm just joking. It was a joke. Okay, so that means you'll get support on the IDE, say VS Code, okay. So for example, thank you, Wong. You won't accidentally accept something that is supposed to be a number to a string, so you can't go like number of script subscribers equals 3. It will give you an error. So instead of like not trying to get an error when you're running the whole thing, it like finds the error faster than JavaScript. Thank you, Loco, for explaining. Thank you so much. It will tell you what the... So it... Oh, is that why they have like features called like annotation? They'll tell you what each of them like variables you have too? Maybe that is more restricted and secure so that when it is deployed through JavaScript, it can't do stuff you don't want to do. So it's just extra checking and it'll show error if something does not make sense. Oh. And for both front and back end. Like having... Yeah, isn't it funny they use the word safe? I'm guessing as a programmer or someone in this field, the word safe has different meanings. But as a non-programmer, you just think about safe as like, oh, don't shoot me! Like, I want to be safe. Like, I'm safe at home, safe. It's like that time, you guys, there was this like word that I was like, you guys use this word? I forgot what word it was, but... So code injection prevention. So less error. So it lets you see the error before it becomes a bug. Oh. You think of money in a safe? Oh! Because you're in accounting. Or like that field, right? Oh, so you can catch error earlier than when you actually run it, when you use TypeScript. Then why isn't everyone using TypeScript? Why is people still using JavaScript? If it's almost the same language, or if you can convert it, then shouldn't everyone use this? Hey, why are you guys not using it? Hey, use it! Guys, use TypeScript! Movie Night and Day? Really? It's not, but it's 2012. It's been out there for 8 years. Oh, is that considered new? People like to hack? Oh. You have to declare the data type of each variable in TypeScript. Oh, so it kind of is lazy work. It's like... Oh. Don't want to write good code? Oh. Yeah, I feel like... TypeScript is too slow. So there's pros and cons on using TypeScript. Oh. But it's basically another, like, type of JavaScript, but somewhat better, but more annoying. Oh. Oh, so who actually typed in TypeScript before, guys? Most programmers I worked with just don't migrate their code unless they have to. If the old one still works, they won't update. Yeah, that's kind of what I've noticed in all these fields. Even as an engineer, they really didn't want to update from a docx file, a doc file, to a pptx file, a PowerPoint file. Because I mean, like, they were like, it still works. Like, of course they're gonna have kind of like a location error. So they always gave that work to interns. I hated that work. Oh my god, it was like PTSD. They have a motto, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So all of you guys who are programmers are lazy. Management don't give you more time because you're using TypeScript? What's the benefit of spending all this effort to update when we're doing just fine? I wouldn't be a programmer if I wasn't lazy. Oh, that's interesting. Lazy programmers are the... That's what everyone says. When I was like trying to develop my app, and some other friends said, so my friend who's helping me with the app, she's very lazy, guys. Like, I love her, but she's so lazy. And I swear I love this girl, but she is like the laziest person, right? So, but then like I told that to another like CEO, and she kind of goes, or the person goes, "Hey, a lazy programmer actually does a better job." And I was like, "Ah, okay, okay." So, yeah, lazy is actually a good thing, surprisingly. So, because attempting to fix update might trigger new bugs. Yeah, that's true. Okay. So let me kind of do a wrap up of TypeScript, and let's move on to Tweety. So what I'm thinking, conclusion. I finally understood TypeScript. Thanks guys for helping me understand, right? Because so the good thing about this is that you catch errors, right? You get to catch errors, you get to catch bugs, you know, bugs, like butterflies. Just kidding. I'll check it after this. Thank you, Tom. If you did it, thank you so much. But the bad thing is that, so what? So what? Current programs working, not worth changing. Current programs working. Safe. We learned why programmers use the word safe, kind of means secure. But they also say, so what? Current program works, not worth changing, right? So does that mean you guys are lazy people? Not worth. Sorry, I'm trying to change it. My safe word is different ever since. Okay. So. I think anyone to you would look lazy. I feel like an underachiever. What do you mean I'm an underachiever? Yeah, so lazy also means you make everything easy because you're lazy to use it. So, like, if you're gonna use it, it has to be super, like, acceptant to all those lazy programmers. No wonder people are like... So. Oh, I'm not using a mouse. I have a pen. Any other conclusion we should add for this? For, 뭐냐? For TypeScript? Anything you guys want to add to our conclusion? Anything that I missed? I think the other biggest, like, conclusion I got was programmers are lazy. You guys, like, when we mentioned the word programmers, or sorry, the moment I mentioned the word lazy, you guys all stood up together and you guys were like, yeah, we're lazy. It was kind of like a chant. It kind of like scared me that you guys all started like talking when I go like, oh, like when I realized that like this is a lazy thing, you guys were like, yeah, it's awful if you have to change it, blah blah blah. So we did you guys are holding hands, that's great. It seems that we did want to add in the word efficient. Efficient seems to be there. It didn't catch on. I'm not sure what that would be meaning, but what the heck? Okay. Oops, sorry. My mouse is not working, and this is awful. It didn't catch on that way. Okay, so no one's using. Oops, sorry. What the heck? This is so hard to use. No one is using. No one? Sorry, I can't spell today. So. You guys were singing too. You have to be too lazy to want to do things manually to be a good programmer, but you can't be too lazy to think. Whoa, now that was deep. You want to find a person to open your beer by programming? That'd be crazy. Worst case scenario is that when a lazy programmer passes his code to another lazy programmer to update. That sounds awful. Like, as a PM, I would shoot myself. Yeah. Thank you, Skipper Neem. I got that one. I think it's because if you fix something that's not technically broken, there's a chance to break something else. Yeah, snowballing. No one wants snowball. So that was all for TypeScript. If you guys have any, oh sorry, I missed you extended. Arguably laziness has driven most advanced. Oh really? That's true. So the more you're getting like older, the dumber you're becoming, right? Because people are making it easier. Does that sound mean? But you know how like people, once you start having like phones, you don't like calculate things using your brains anymore? Just like now type everything on your like phones and stuff. So anyways guys, thank you guys for listening to my TypeScript. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you know, chat to me, or come to my next stream and be like, hey Jinri, actually when I was watching this I don't understand. Feel free to tell me that. Otherwise, that's all I'm gonna do for TypeScript, and that's all. Oh, perfect timing, Somi. Now, for next week, if you guys have anything you guys prefer to work on or to listen to, feel free. Kofu, you're not gonna leave a comment, so don't even try. With technological advance comes a whole new set of challenges. That's true. In future, people won't know how... Yeah, you know how, like, people say... Like, a lot of people don't know how to read, 뭐지? Oh, sorry, I forgot to put cat. They don't know how to read clocks. They only know how to read digital clocks, guys. Did you guys know that? Oh, and cursive. But I'm thinking more like digital clocks. Oops, sorry. Oh, not digital. What is it? Not digital. Sorry, I meant... What is that? The 24-hour thing. Analog. Sorry. Yeah, I totally forgot. I don't know why I was thinking digital. Yeah! They did a test on it. There is a YouTube where, like, people born after, like 2010, they don't know how to read it. So, isn't that crazy? It's so real, guys. They don't know. There's actually... if I find it, I will post it on my Discord for you guys to check out. People don't know how to write a bank check? No way! What? You don't have one at home? People can't read maps either? Oh, that's true. Not scary. Anyways, let me just check. Some of you guys did raids while I was talking, which is great. Thank you guys for working hard. Let me just gonna double check if you guys did it. Not like me being kind of like anxious about like, did you do it type? But I'm sorry, I didn't mean to reload that one. Clock is everywhere? But it's now all on their phone though, right? Your raid party is losing to mobs now. Yeah, but like the young kids can't get the luxurious watches. Like they can't buy a Rolex, right? Ooh, we got a lot, guys. Thank you guys for completing. Yeah, High finished reaching level 10. Jojo reached level 10. Thank you. Brad reached level 10. Under the Snow reached. Majo reached reporting for duty. I don't know who you are, but thank you. 10. Under the Snow 2. 10. Under the Snow 3. 10. Gaoji 10. Jojo Jinri again 10. Thank you. Boston Tom Jinri. Ooh, that's a... It sounds like it's like Tom's your first name and Jinri's your last name. Oh, I'm not ending Kofu. We just started. Like, the party just started. Like, you're ready to like take off your shirt and party, man. Yeah. So thank you, Tom. I got yours. Thank you again for all the raids. We just need 49 more, guys. Keep up the good work, everyone. Rolex? Yeah, that's true. Rolex is good for, yeah. Oh yeah, I meant raid. Oh, thank you, Tom. That's amazing. Thank you guys for those who's trying to also reach 25. It's gonna help a lot. Yeah, I need, because I have to get up to 60. But who knows, if I reach 60 earlier, wait, I don't like that kappa sign. Can you take that kappa sign off? Like, that's gonna hurt my feelings. Anyways, let's take a quick 5-minute break. I'm just gonna get water because I talked a lot. So, if you guys just stay tuned. Is there something you guys can watch? I have a sponsorship for raids right now, and if you guys want to participate, feel free because it's gonna help me a lot. You don't have to reach like level 60, but you have to like, I just need like 60 people helping me out with this. So let's watch my YouTube clip. Did we watch my second business trip? You guys can watch that right now. No. If I figure out where. 혼자 봤다고요? 감사합니다. 잠깐만, 이거 해놓을게. Let me quickly go get water, and you guys can watch it. Oh my god, the elementary kid with my backpack. Oh, when did it become so early? 이거 부은 것 봐. Guys, look at my face, my fat face. Okay, guys, let's get ready. My goal is to leave here at 9:30, 9:40, and then walk to get 국밥 at 10. Wow, such a nice view. 와, 아리랑 거리. 와, 여기 이쁘다. 오, this is the infamous 국제시장 거리. 여기가 국제시장 거리예요. 오, this is, if I go inside, it has 미술의 거리인데? Isn't this where they had like the really famous Korean movie? I think it should be around here somewhere, but whoa. It looks so good. 부산 어묵. I'm natural beauty, guys. For fish cake. We will go to the place that Cha recommended. 여기 열었어요. I look so different, guys. I feel like an elementary kid. Who's that girl? Don't you think so? Let's go. Suddenly I became American. That is genuinely like, people came here to eat. Like non-American genuinely. That's like Korean genuinely. Oh, I also did black eyeliner at the time. I don't do black eyeliner anymore. My makeup style also changed, guys. This? It's my engineering t-shirt. I had no like lipstick on too. What do you mean? I always yell at you. You like Naojinri? Yeah, I forgot to bring it. That's why I'm wearing this.
Let's go get coffee.
Yeah, it was kind of like a mukbang ASMR.
Let's get lipstick. Quickly buy lipstick. I will get expensive lipstick.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know
I
what's
look
fun.
younger now.
Let me
Usually
just
when I have the
buy one.
bangs, I'm supposed to look older.
Net or
Oh, sorry. When I have the bangs, I'm supposed to look
I
younger.
can't believe I'm buying
Isaac,
lipstick.
guys, it's already 9?
32 centimeter ice cream.
시간이 왜 이렇게 빨리 갔지?
That is big. 안녕하세요. 녹차 라떼 아이스 하나. 네. 감사합니다. 350. The other. Oh, I was about to leave.
Oh, karaoke bar? Oh, thanks.
아, 감사합니다.
Thanks, Zig, for stopping by. Thank you. Have a nice day.
빨리 드세요. 옆에 그럴 수 있어요. 많이 담아가지고.
어머.
네, 바로 드시면 돼요. 바로 일단 드시면 돼요.
Time to get my hair done.
Okay, let's stop watching this. It's so long, guys. Just watch it later. This is kind of sick of me. Sick of myself watching myself because I had to edit that and that took so long, guys. Anyways, today let's move on to Twiri time. Twiri time, guys. Twiri time. 에이, 저거 보세요. 그래야 내가 뷰어십이 올라가죠, 저게. real time. Twiri time. Twiri time. Twiri time. Twiri time. Twiri time. Twiri time. 아, 진짜 하기 싫다. Why do people always don't want to work? 3명이야? 아니요, 괜찮아요. Should have the site play you say that when it loads. Twiri time. Okay. So guys, you know what was scary? 아, 진리치? 리치예요? 괜찮은데? I had to actually update my okay, I got that. So kind of side story, guys. Oh my god, don't save it. What was really scary was I haven't touched this computer, right? And I got on my GitHub and I passed, right? I fetched the origin and it literally said like 10,000 something and I was like, oh. 지치가 뭐예요? 트위리 오늘 할 겁니다. So, yeah, I trust the author. Because the author is me, honey. Anyways, so let's work on this a bit. I haven't touched it, but we'll see how it's working. I think next month I have to start paying for the cloud service. So guys, I have to pay for the cloud service if you guys want me to keep continuing Twiri. Guys, man. You see down there? That's like flashing raids. So, anyways, so Nodder, thank you. That was all so subtle. Like no one realized what I was saying, right? 자, let's kind of go through what has been done and what is needed. So let's get our old friend Trello out. I haven't seen Trello in a while, guys. Oh, shoot, get away, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay. Oh, thanks. Oh, sorry. Thanks. I know! That was, yeah. Ooh! Thank you, Holly, for reaching level 10. Let's see those 25s. Let's see. Work harder, man. So, things that has been changed. So, let's start with Tweety newsletter. First of all, I have to raise my hand. I was an awful human being, so Josh actually wanted to help out with the Google Secret Manager. And Jinri forgot the password, even the ID and the password.
Boss is an awful human being. I agree.
Yeah. Thanks, Mark. Thank you for the tier 3 sub. I am so awful. Oh, thank you, Silent. Oh, not that password manager. Yeah, so he was hate you, local. Like, hate you too. Wait, I have my donable here. Okay. So he was supposed to help out with one thing and I couldn't add on to it. So let me just do that today, after stream. I'm just gonna add you onto our backend server so that you can start working on that. We're gonna start continuing this back. We're gonna make it roll. I'll be programming. One thing that I'm gonna try in US and in Korea is what I've noticed is that when you're doing something like this actually, when I do programming stream, it's kind of a work with me stream, right? Because, I'm basically programming and it kind of doesn't make sense to do that after work, right? So what I'm planning and hoping that it work is that if I wake up trying to if I get to wake up around 3 or 4 US time, Central US time, or if I start streaming and actually do Tweety first, and then when you guys, no, not AM, so that's gonna be around 6 AM for me to stream, 5 or 6 AM to stream doing Tweety first, cause it'll kind of be a work with me. And then once it hits a 6 or 7, I might have to stop because Mia has to get his clothes in Korea. But here I can just stream and then I'll take kind of a 30-minute break to get dinner, and then restart. So I think that's kind of what I might do on Mondays, because I really didn't realize how this might be kind of boring for some part. So. Well, I'm not gonna wake up, but I'm gonna start stream working on this at 3-ish PM on Tweety so that I could actually focus working on it. So, not 6 AM CDT, guys. 6 AM CDT. Geek is good. It's so geeky though. People will get so tired of it because no one wants to work at 9 PM, and I totally understand that. I couldn't somehow think about it. But now that I'm back at CDT or CST, it kind of makes sense that no one wanted to work at 9. So tonight's gonna be a simple yeah. And did you guys notice that my schedule, I actually changed it to CST, and I actually did what Loco told me to do. So I think that should be up to date. So today is gonna be a light Tweety stream because I already changed, shut up, Mark. Because I already streamed in the morning. We'll keep today very simple, but next Monday I'm gonna try to do early. I will be actually in New York, but I'm gonna actually do a work with me IRL, bring my computer to work on Tweety that day. Wait, but I would be with Minji that day. Unless I meet Minji a bit later. So I'll try to like... Well, like, I'm not gonna work on dinner time. Or Sunday. We'll figure something out. So, yeah. But that's gonna be, like, the future plan, guys. I'm gonna work on it. So that you guys actually don't have to work on it. We'll kind of give you guys, like, an update of what we have done so far. So people who's at work doing it could like do it, you know. So yeah, I might not program like after 9 p.m. because after I got home and like the moment I was like, let's do Tweety, I was like, oh my god. And I understand why it's kind of worked to you guys, so understand the feeling. We're trying to like, you know, make up for it. Been studying other programming streamers and how they've been doing it, so we're gonna try to match up. It's not like I have a lot of Korean viewers like working with me anyways. So, do the programmers not have other jobs to be doing at that time? I mean, like they could be doing their jobs, but I'm gonna try to do stuff that I can do, and just have them answer my question, and then programmers can work off them. They usually do it like they don't normally do it with me anyways, so I'll just do it with them. And if I have a question, I'll ask them because they'll probably have my stream on while doing their work. So I think it'll like balance it out better, and I'll get more programmers interested when they're working because just remember, like, extended need is something to be played while working, so yeah, right? Anyways, let's continue. Because I don't have to keep only streaming at like this time because like I'm already a full-time streamer. So I think that'll make more sense. Then I can end my stream around like 9 or 10 and then I could do other stuff after. And that'll be also better for Korean time. So I always wake up early anyways. I'm a morning person, kind of, yeah. So tonight is gonna be like a short 30 minutes to an hour, like a Tweety meeting. And that's how it's gonna be continued. And then we'll just have like one beer and call it a day. Because I'm craving a beer, guys. It's so hot, and I like looking at Tweeties just kind of like, oh my god. So like only one beer because it's a Monday night. It's a Monday night. We had a rough day. I need to get raid. Just came back from Chicago, so we're just having one beer, updating on Tweety, and etc, right? Shh, Jenny. I do need Blue Label, guys. Ah, Jolly. I will be back because Jolly just got me a beer, but no more. No more. I'm gonna refund everyone who else gets me a beer. Guys, I only had one beer. What the hell? Hey. Hey, what the heck? You better infuse alcohol in that, Jolly. Anyways, cheers, chat. No, I only have one beer though. My mom drank the other one. I was trying to look for it too. So, couple of updates. I know extended like a month ago. We haven't worked on this for like a month, guys. we updated it. I haven't updated the recent one, so I will be doing that once I get the new account. So, the account, do have to double check with 9dog. I know he messaged something, but I haven't like touched anything on Tweety yet. So I will be doing that, so that if you don't mind helping out with the Google Pass. I know also we got some Korean updated. Also from Metronome. He helped me last time. Scyther recently did a pull update, so now what we have is this, add a streamer. So if you click this, it'll go here. And I know currently this is like manually done, but hopefully we'll get this not manually. But that means that we have to put the DB that's being collected to this, to the back end. So yeah, I might have to get 9dog or any backend developers who's working on this to be part of it. Yeah. So that's all the recent updates that we have done so far. So what are something that we can do right now? I'm not sure. So let's look at what we were gonna plan to do. Cause I do wanna add in the NFTs. Cause I think it will be fun. Let me just get this. There you go. Yeah, cause I haven't been really like promoting it as much. So we're gonna try to be like pushing it. And I think that being said, when I'm in New York, I'm gonna like hopefully it's gonna work on your phone. And every streamer I'm gonna meet in New York, I'm just gonna be like, hey, you should test this. Like on their stream. Like if it's yummy, if it's so and so, like just gonna like force it on them. So yeah, so actually, Saint, that's what we were planning on doing, is actually having a machine learning, because I've actually done a lot of machine learning projects. A lot of my viewers are actually from my earlier machine learning like stream that I didn't do as much, so they always want back machine learning. I know I have like one at least that's always been yelling out machine learning. Yeah. Can you do it? Only, but I know Plummy, I think it's just Plummy just pointed at you. Can you do it? Sorry. Cheers. Minting NFT on Algo Desk? Oh, really? Shut up, Kofu. You don't even know what machine learning is. Just kidding. I love you too. I like making fun of you. Can you guys imagine Kofu getting this treatment? Isn't like Kofu the infamous like Marn, and like everyone's all like Kofu, and then you come here and like get away here, get out of here. You don't deserve to be here, Kofu. Anyways, oh, that's good, because you need to get bullied, because you have such a high ego, Kofu. Oh, but I shouldn't judge people. Oh, psychology lesson that I learned today. Jinri. It was just a day. Not even a day. So I know, okay, so who actually worked on NFT? Do you guys want to work NFT on this project? Would this be really cool? And would you guys be interested in like doing investments on with NFT and like others like etc stuff with it? Because if you guys are interested, I would be like more than happy to actually study programming for NFT, figuring out what we need. Yeah, if you guys are willing to try to earn money, like test it out, because I know they did say something about like I know one of the NFT like, really? No, you're not. Don't troll. one of the NFT platform that they developed for like videos, right? That one just went awful. Like people just shit talked about that, right? Sorry to swear. Oh really? Okay, so if there's a lot of people who wants to get into crypto, and if you guys want to know like the basics or like how it's being programmed, I'm more than happy to like work it on stream. Like you guys can just have me on as background noise. Oh, hey, yeah, better see you do a push-up. Yeah, it's a technical term. Yeah, logo, lotions. Better save one for next time. Okay, so then next week I don't know, he said it was a legit term. I didn't think it was a legit term. Anyways. Oh yeah, I did that to you too, Macho. Anyways, next week, then let's try to do I haven't officially programmed blockchain. Does anyone aware? So I've done coins through Ethereum. Which basically you program in Python, right? But I'm not sure how NFT is done. And you want to just start giving me links and how I could start it so I can actually like try it. That'd be great. If anyone wants to like take a stab at it, feel free. But I will start maybe just straight right into NFT next week. Because I think we've done Tweety enough where it's like, okay, we just need a bunch of people to test it and give good feedbacks. Because I think we're all burnt out from like programming this thing for like a year and a half. So we're gonna like still do like minor yeah, and we need more data because I didn't like the fact that they said, hey, we tried Portuguese and we only see like what Korean American. So I'm just gonna do fully marketing for Tweety for now because it's looking legit. I don't know about you guys, but like it's still worth like testing, making people like find debugs and stuff. So I'd rather work on NFT and add more crazy features and let people test it. Like I just need a lot of QAs for this because like it's doing the basic functionality and all we are going to be doing is adding the flurs. But to add those like flurry parts, you need people to give like very like crazy feedbacks, being like if it's shitty, like hey, I hate that character because that character is Asian. Well, we'll make different diversity color, like we'll even make his face green or something, right? So I'd rather dive right into NFT next week. So next week we're just doing NFT. You are going hard on. Can you tell Iris to stream so you could just go watch her? Just kidding, love you too. What are you talking about? You're never here when I'm doing programming streams. Just kidding. Allogodes.io actually. So testnet. Okay, Maya, can you post it on terminal on my Discord? So I don't think we're gonna use Ethereum as a base. Because yeah, can you post it on terminal so I'd get ideas of what to do and I'll actually go look through them. I'll do a bit of research for next week for NFTs. And I'll ask a couple of people related to this field or people who's doing it. I was supposed to call this person and I totally forgot. So I'm gonna try to base it off of like a cheaper coin so that you guys can buy it without making it like crazy. Because I think right now, how much is Ethereum? Like 9,600, 800? I'm gonna check the price. Ethereum. 4,000? What? Is it really $4,000? 잠깐만, I might have like 5 Ethereum. 5 or 6. Wait, I have to. Okay, and let me check right away. Don't talk about Bitcoin. I lost it when it was at 10k. Oh, really? I bought it at like 470 something. I'm gonna retire. Bye, guys. It's nice knowing you. Screw NFT. Just kidding. Yeah, I had Bitcoin at 10k, but I can't find it. Did you know? Isn't that shocking? I can't find it. Like, there's transactions saying that like I bought it and like I did some transaction, but it's gone. 10%? Hey, I could give you 10% to all my chat, like divided by a certain number, right? Anyways, yeah. So, then Kofu, what do you recommend for basic? Like the basis? Wait, are you talking about me? Oh, that's true, because I could've, yeah. Yeah, we're not doing it based off of Bitcoin then. Let's do, like, what other bases are off of Ethereum? Or sorry, of NFT. What others can you use? Like, what can be the main coin? Isn't, like, Ripple cheap, though? How much is Ripple? Gosh. $1? Can you do it off of Ripple? So I'm gonna try to do NFT for my app that I'm building. Cardano? 잠깐 내가 Cardano도 사놨을 텐데. 아, shoot. 짜증나. Yeah. I mean, that's true, but I would like Bitcoin and Ethereum already have like named. They're already named, so I'd rather do it on something that has potential, like potential to grow, because like we're doing fun with NFTs anyway. So I'd rather have something that has like a chance to grow than do something that's already fully grown. Like, wouldn't you rather like, you know, right? So like. So that you guys can earn money and like donate 10%. Using my brain. So for those who's asking what I'm doing, like I said, I have a app, I have a platform called Twiri, and I'm going to add NFT on this. So if you want to join, feel free. It'll be really fun. Because yeah. So Algorand layer is super cheap. Okay. Yeah. You know, Tom, you know what the biggest thing to talk about? Or sorry, the biggest thing for your own personal health is never regret. Cause guess what? In 2020, I could have bought Tesla at like $100, man. When I did my review for Tesla, it was cheap back then. Not only Tesla, an intern came when GameStop was at $50, and I said, "Hey, it already rose too much."
Greetings, viewer. Did you know that today's stream is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends? You too can help Jinri TV earn money by visiting the link in the command !raids. Get to level 10 today and you will probably be roasted by—
You did ogogo? Ogogo. 230? Damn, good for you, Jolly. Thank you. Saying thank you, Loco. Thank you, Ogogoos. Okay, so yeah, let's get some ideas. Yeah, thank you, Maya. I'll read some of them and then I'll come with a decision. I'll kind of also get like a list of what we need to prepare to create an NFT. But if you guys have anything like that I could base off of while creating, or like a template related to NFT, feel free to provide that to me so that I could like start trying it. And the other thing that I want to do for Tweety is maybe I can do this on Tuesday, but actually go market, like do some marketing. because we've been so awful at marketing. Like, if extended right over there is telling me that we have gotten 0 so far, then I'm basically like not doing a very good job. So we gotta like any type of like conference out there, any type of like platform building, IT conferences, I'm gonna start going to all those. I'm trying to go to the one that's in Vegas, the really like big one. If you guys know of any things I could do, maybe the thing is I can't go to other streamers to do it unless I go to like small streamer, like if they have like 10-20 people and like test it there. Hopefully getting it out there. But for me, who's not a big streamer, that's gonna be a hard thing. So if you guys have any like marketing skills that you guys want to use it on for Tweety, feel free to like message it over there on marketing page. It should be down there, guys. Because we need more people, guys. The bigger this gets, the better I can add ads to it, right? Are you guys listening? Are you guys there? Hello? Did you guys go to sleep? Hello? Does anybody want to help me with marketing? Hello, Bubbly. Can we get a shout out for Bubbly? Thank you. Have a big billboard on New York Times Square. Actually, we were going for small. Then, okay, you know what? So next week, this is my plan. Then. What? Welcome, Bubbly. So then, okay. Oh shoot! Damn! Thank you, Secretary, for gifting us up to Bo. Let's go. Let's go. Use your money. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shoot. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next week plan is, you know what I'm going to do? On this marketing page, can you list the streamers that have like 50 or less? And I'm gonna go to every single streamer on Tuesday and be like, hi, my name's Jinri, and start marketing. You know how we did that for Tweety when we first started this? And we had so many inputs. We're gonna do that next week. So next week, earlier time, we're gonna try. Oh, not next week, sorry, because I'm gonna New York. The week after, I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, well, if they ban me, then I'm gonna be like, I'm sorry. Go, you didn't do that to you? Yeah, I did, and you told me, you were like giving me that stink eye, Bubbly. I still remember when I went to go see you, and you were like, oh, you're the girl who gave me a mod. Like, why'd you give me a mod? You had that attitude. And I was like, damn, this girl's like evil. So Eugene should. He actually tested out. So if you guys know of any streamers, like small streamers, guys. Oh, why would you? Because you're a girl and I give you. So I'm a, like right here in marketing, and I'm gonna be like intern. Okay, my marketing interns, I want you guys to list bunch of girl streamers / guy streamers with less than 50 people. And I'm just gonna make this a content for marketing. That's one way. Because the purpose of Tweety anyways is to get like small streamers known anyways. So we're gonna still do that. Like, Bo, if you wanna like join me on Discord to like go look at small streamers and like admire them, feel free. Like, we'll like Discord call, like do stuff, but you felt heavyweight. I do it on Mondays. So if you wanna like join on Mondays. But... Yeah. Bunch. Anyone that you really like. No, you're Tuesday then. Oh no, 50 viewers. Viewers. Can I add to the list, like, yourself? We do have criteria. Oh, I'm an average. But need 500 followers. Okay, we're not trying to advertise big streamers, guys. Like, what's the point? They already come on the thing. Oh yeah, you can, of course, suggest Tom. Sorry, DC. Oh, yeah, thank you. Boobly Live. Okay, so apparently there's another account called Boob. Okay, well, you better be streaming so I can go to your channel. Okay, I'll go there. Apparently we have Bubbly Live. I'm gonna go to hers first. You better be streaming Tuesday morning. Better see you on, girl. And this could be kind of like a fun topic, fun content. So start listing. Yeah, girl, just wake up. You're like chatting right now, honey. Even right now, if you start streaming right now, we could do this. Like, I'd be going to your channel and I'd be like chatting there. Yeah, it's still early morning. So I think that's gonna be my first marketing, guys. I know I had a marketing tag. In terms of like programming, guys. Oh, we did this. Thank you. We reviewed it. We liked it. I love it. Scyther, you're like the angel. Guys, can we get like a big like cheers for Scyther? For working on it? You gotta walk Max. Like, walk with him inside the stream or something. Which... Thank you, Scyther. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is like thank you, Amo, for subbing tier 1. Thank you, 감사합니다. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is find small streamers with average 10 viewers or 500 followers. Less than 50. Cause the reason why I can do less than 50 is since I'm mostly above 50, then I can go to their channel and I could be like, hi, I'm like a medium small size streamer. Can I like talk to you? Right? So that's gonna be my first marketing plan. My second is tomorrow I'm gonna be looking at Reddit, right? We're gonna check out Reddit. We're gonna see how it works. And you know, like, you know, if we kind of get the hang of it, if you guys can help me like write a post or kind of be like subtle, being like, hey, this new app is so cool, without like being like super like ad like, Reddit would be my second choice. What if you're friends with bigger streamers? If you're friends with bigger streamers, that'd be great because it's good for marketing, but it's highly like impossible for me to, you know. Tom, list anyone who might be interested. Like, we just gotta get this out there. We haven't had time to market this ever since it was made. I've had so many people say, oh, it's really cool, like blah blah blah, but like they don't use it as much. So we gotta just get the name out there. Thank you, highly impossible. It just don't put Kofu down, but. And it's a good chance for them to be like known. Well, if I'm like adding their DB onto our database, obviously, yeah. Oh, Amo, thank you for level 10. Thank you, 감사합니다. Excuse me, Jinri. I rated you once with like what, 5 viewers? Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, Kofu, just start streaming and I'd go to your channel. Let me go follow you. I'll follow you, Kofu, okay? Like, I'll follow and then you could, like, stream. Like, just tell me when Kofu's on, guys. We'll go there and, like, sabotage his stream. Be like, oh, that's not how you shoot a gun. That's not how you do that. Yeah, if you guys start streaming, I'm just gonna be so, like, a dick. I'm gonna be like... Kofu was last live 5 months ago and you're saying you were like... Shake my head. Yeah, just start listing bunch and we'll start from there. I did want to go ask, like... So what I've actually been written for the marketing is that, like, my Avengers, like Lessa and all those girls, but, like, I've mentioned this so many times to them. I bet, like, they're sick of it. So I'm just gonna kind of, like, step away. Like, it'd be nice if Lessa mentions it on our stream, but I don't want to, like, force it to her to be like, hey, Lessa, like this. Can you, like, alright. So, I mean, if you guys are kind of, like, subtle, be like, hey, you know, like, Lessa, like, Jinri kind of trying to, like, it's, you know, 좀 이렇게 좀 알아서 해봐, 눈꽃님 뭐 하시는 거예요? 야, 안 하냐? Anyways, 잘못했죠? 그러니까 얼른 레이드라 하세요. 둘 중에 하나라도 하세요. Anyways, in terms of 괜찮아. 이번 가가지고 그 플러미님이랑 레사님한테서도 이제 제가 이런 걸 만들고 있는데 광고 한 번만 해주세요 하고 아예 밥을 그때 제가 쏘게요. So I plan on buying lunch for Lessa and Plummy as a fee to get like ad for Twiri. So when I mentioned it, okay, like Scyther or not Scyther, sorry, whoever's the mod there better be like spamming Tweety.net. Did you know that that's actually not true? One big streamer, they're not gonna be like super supportive. So, and like, I don't know, the purpose of this, like I said, is to get small streamers like me well known. Cause, like, not to give like examples, but it's great that if you get known by big streamers, it's amazing, right? But like, you kind of get to a point where you're just kind of like, oh my god, it's just so bad. Thank you, Kuro! Thank you. And talking about in terms of programming, I still want programming to be done. Get them to use it to find people to raid when they don't already have someone in mind? Yeah, maybe I could try to do that too. I still need work on mobile. Kuro. Cause mobile is the one that's that I'm gonna use to have them test it out. So we really need to work on the mobile one. And I don't want to touch that thing. It's just very disgusting. I mean, like, I could touch it next Monday, but I'd rather have the fun stuff for stream. Sorry, chat. I'd rather, yeah, you know what I mean. So, can we somehow like try to do the mobile one like now? Like keep that like top. And then I think if I keep programming one in like the earlier time, as a joke, I'll make a pitch deck. Maybe we could try to get like a collab with Benshim so that they can post it on their main page. Would be fun. I'm gonna try to explain it to all the Korean chat too, so I would kind of need a pitch deck for in Korean as well. So let's work on that kind of. Yeah. No, I'm targeting all over the world. Small streamers. Yeah. Actually, honestly, like deep down, I want to like take out all the big streamers. Like you guys already know them. You know what I mean? But thanks, Kofu. Yeah. Maybe we could kind of do like a collab with Benshim's new app and Tweety. If we can... but that's gonna require... Because they're in an app instead of... I don't know. I will have to go meet up with them when I'm in Korea. But I think Benshim would be ideal. Yeah, Iris. Iris was supposed to do a Benshim interview. I still want you to do it. It's really fun. Like, obviously you don't get money and it kind of sucks, but it's a nice way when you need, like, when you have Koreans watching you, it's a nice way to be like, hey, you should check out my Benshim interview, because, like, that kind of explains what I do. Like, that's good enough for you guys to watch. It's like my speech that you guys can watch. I know. It's so sad. Yeah. So I think I'll probably try to do Benshim. 진짜 그때 재밌었어. 아 근데 마지막에 투수들에게 한 말 울컥. Users will expect and want to see streamers they know in Tweety though, else it looks bad. Yeah, we did get that feedback. Where they were like, hey, I don't see my streamer. You know what's funny about those feedback is that they give me two different feedback. One's like, dude, I've seen like all the streamer you give me, I know them. Like, okay. And then the other person was like, dude, I don't know any of them. Are you sure this thing works? I'm like, what do you want? You know, they're literally like the opposite ideas. 거의 끝과 끝이야. Thank you, Extended. Oh, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, guys, go follow Iris. I don't see my streamer? Jolly, you can see your streamer. Dude, just put like wholesome. Just give them who they know but don't know? Yeah, that's like the hardest thing. They were like, okay, like of the 5, I knew 3. You only gave me 2. I'm like, okay. And then the other guy was like, I only knew 1. And that was, I think it might have been Iris's chat. I think. 언니 틀렸다고요. Because it says, I watch Iris. I think, 누구더라? Iris, like, 누구지? What's her name? Oh shoot, shoot, I forgot. I'm Korean. Oh, thank you, Secretary. Bye, Bubbly. Thanks for stopping by. Hey. Next week. But it was like, oh my god, I can't remember her. Suddenly, I can't remember her name. Hachubi! They were like, I watch Iris and Hachubi, and I'm like, okay, they both kind of sing, but like, Iris is like focused on singing, right? And Hachubi's more like IRL streamer, right? And they kind of have different like personalities too. There's no way you guys can expect the same person to come out. You know what I mean? So I was kind of shocked. I was like, okay, like I have no clue how you want me to like get both of you guys when they are kind of different. You know what I mean? The only like common thing I could see is like you guys are both hot, like wholesome. But like she's not a main music streamer, like just does music compared to like Iris who kind of just did music. Does IRL these days, but like, you know. So it was kind of like, okay, well, like I don't know what you want then. Like, you should have given me like a 5-star. So crazy feedbacks, but it's funny. So. Kofu. You don't count as a music streamer, honey. Just kidding. Anyways. What are we talking about? Okay. Yeah. I think, yeah, I mean, their vibe is kind of somewhat different. At least that's how I felt. But it might be because I know Iris IRL, like in real life, but I've never like officially met Hachubi, so I don't know how she is, like maybe in terms of vibes that you guys picked, so. Anyways, for the mobile, like, my front-end interns, can you guys work on the language? And like the dates are having issues. Like there was like minor bugs. Like, can you do these? Like, please? Like, it'd be awesome if you guys can do those. Like, it'd be so cool. You know, like, let me just kind of see. Because, oh my god, I had it here. I had this. And then if Josh works on the API, then we can actually do like the nickname ones, changing the subtitles. Because we haven't had that done, which is kind of being the bottleneck, but it's kind of my fault because I didn't give him access, so that's all on me. But next week, if you do get to those, it's not working apparently on mobile. But unless I'm having like also no, dev tools are not in Korean. I like it in English. Wait, what are we checking? It's the about. And these like font needs to be broken. And like this thing always died. I'm complaining. Sorry about complaining, but yeah, no, this is hidden in the mobile. This was hidden. That's why I remembered. Like this end date was hidden. I don't know why. And then these should be abbreviated because you would actually have to like scroll over to see the whole thing. So if you guys can decide which was doing what. Because remember, I tried to do it last time and I just completely failed because I didn't even know where to start with, and I just hate dealing with mobile version because they just make no sense at all. Please. So yeah, we will write sorry front end. I know you guys are gonna hate me and you guys have all the right to run away. But at least finish that and then run away. Please. So language button should be abbreviated. It's here. It's still here. I re-lived it. So the language button, it's the mobile one. Hi Obi, how are you? Language button should be abbreviated. Right now it's just giving me this. So the main, it looks smushed, right? Man, dates on about page isn't fixed. This was a minor. I swear it's a minor debug and I swear I could do it, but I don't want to do it because I am stupid. Just kidding, I'm not stupid. But if no one can't do it by next week, I can try to attempt it on the day of. But I do want to hit NFT so that it kind of gets like spicy. And then the title in about page for different language is having issue, and I have no clue how you guys can fix that. Because like, okay, for English it's okay, but like Deutsch, it just okay, maybe like not Deutsch, but like French, it like just becomes like this. Like I'm not blaming French, but you know, like this has to be fixed. And then like Korean's even missing a language for that one. Like Spanish is having issue, so if those can be fixed, yeah. So it'd be great if like we could focus more on mobile like updates. Please. Yeah. So if you guys can test it on mostly your mobile to give more bugs through mobile, I will keep testing it on mobile, so if I see any of them I'll like send it out. That'll be great. I can work on it too. So 이렇게 해서 리빙 이슈 와이즈 그런 거 없나? 분명 이렇게 해놓고 또 뭔가 문제가 막 터진단 말이지. 이메일. Why? Hey, why is this dead? Did I have to connect it to something? 이거 왜 안 되냐? Some change must have caused an issue. 잠깐만, 넌 또 왜 돌아갔냐? No. Then I will just do it with 트위리랑. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot to download it. I will do it next time. I knew something I like was missing something. And then can we have this font like bigger or something? Down here? It's so small. I feel like no one's gonna see that on mobile size. I am so picky, guys. I swear to God, so picky. Can I edit this? Oh, unarchive. 여기서 7-4 on the bottom footer. Oops. As a side note, our category is missing on step 2. I don't know. Category missing on question 2? It shouldn't be. Does it say missing? That's a... Like, I don't see software development. Oh. What am I supposed to develop? Like, should I not be developing this? What am I supposed to be developing if I'm in software? Isn't this a software? Or do you want me to develop Microsoft as a software? No, I think... What? Oh! Oh! Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to be so rude. I was so confused being like, I thought you were kind of giving me that like look of, this isn't software development. I'm like, okay. Like, I'm finding bugs. I know it's kind of QA. Like, do you hate me? I know I'm like not a full programmer. Yeah, we have to add those. Thank you. That was a good bug. And we gotta work on this ending page. It is so smushed. Oh, that's like the... Like, and this restart button isn't even in center, guys. What the heck? That is so annoying. Restart button isn't in center. Yeah, I could work on that. That one I could work on. This one's done. Oops. Is there 10? Oh shoot, there is 10. Nice. So add a new category for question 2. Centering thing? Oh yeah. But guess what? I'm a PM, so I can give all the crap. You know what my friend said the other day? Oh my god, let me see if I can find the slacks that she said. Dude, I forgot what I had mentioned. Oh, so I was like, I saw this really cool feature, right? And I was like, oh, this is like TMI, guys. So if you don't mind, let me just finish writing this. Let me just finish my train of thoughts before I talk about like a programming. Like, I swear you guys are gonna swear at me, but I'll be like ready to take the bullet. Software and software development etc. Do you know where they have a list of this? Does any like sorry, Sphinx, do you know where they have a link for where they added? Is it in their like new news feed, like anything? If you find it, can you post it on my Discord under terminal? You get a big heart. Guys, give a round of applause for him. Anyways, the TMI story for today, guys. Today's TMI. So as you guys know, my friend and I, bunch of friends and I are building an app for golf, right? And it was really funny because I find really cool features. And like I've been working on the wireframe for it. So people who don't know what wireframe is, it's basically how you imagine an app is going to look like. Basically just like drawing it, where the buttons are gonna be, and etc etc. And I made it like, you know, I just copied other like apps that I liked and like all these features, and my friend saw it and she goes, I hate you. And she goes, you don't think for programmers. This is what all the programmers get. This is why I hate PMs. Cause I'm just like, can you do this? Can you do that? And she's like, she just gave me this like huge like sigh. And I felt bad, like, cause I also know how programmers feel like, and I really hated when like chat came up to me and they were like backseating, be like, can you add a cloud? Can you add this? I'm like, dude, we can't even get this to function, and you want me to do like magic here, right? I get mad, but then it's like a natural habit of PMs, I swear, where there's just kind of like, we'll just add this. We'll just add that. Just keep adding, guys. You know what? I just want this added. I want that added. etc. etc. Like, screw everything else, right? So, anyways, it's just kind of made me think about you. But I still want these fixed. And the category shouldn't be hard. But what I'm worried about is adding those new categories for other streamers. Yeah. Anyways, cheers, guys. Terminal. Here. That's what my old boss would do. Just come in and ask, can you do this? Every time he had a new idea. Oh my god, that's the worst thing. And like, I promised my chat, I was like, chat, I will be the most nicest PM, like the ideal PM that like programmers want. And so far it failed. I actually lost a main programmer. So maybe I shouldn't be a PM, guys. Why am I doing here? You're learning. You're learning programming. Maybe, Jolly, you could program your own tool for like guessing prices. PM is hard. And just you wait until you have to deal with like designers. Like, I love all designers, but those are like the really tough cookies, guys. Like, you could never convince a designer that that's not really what I want, because it's their artwork, and you know, like, they probably know it better than a regular CEO. That's why you gotta be doing so much researching of, hey, like, this is currently the trend, can you do it more towards the trend instead of more doing weird trends, right? So yeah, I think if my front end works more for the mobile app, because like I said, the reason why I need this done is that, like, if we're gonna meet streamers in New York to test the app, you know, then it's kind of like, mostly I won't do it on my computer, it'll be more on my mobile, and as long as it's like fast and working, it's a good way for me to promote it there, especially because we're having like big streamers there anyways. So yeah, like you guys mentioned, big streamers. Like, for me, everyone's in New York's a big streamer. So you do this? Oh, stonk chart. I used to PM before we hired 2 PMs. That's smart. What do you think about agile software development? I think no one knows how to be a good PM. Yeah. Dude, actually, that, like, you know how Trello is kind of part of that, where they have all the issues and then programmers just take it? I've tried using it's really hard, especially software developers, because it's really hard to estimate how long it takes for a certain bug to be fixed. And like, you can't also be kind of like, I mean, it's gonna take you forever, but I need this done by tomorrow. So, like, if I were to be a PM, I would actually try to convince the customers more, because after going through programming, yeah, that's what I... Oh, really? You're an agile coach? Oh. And I'm shit talking about agile. I think there's a better way to PM for software development, because I think those work is more fit towards engineering, like factory, manufacturing engineers. Those you could kind of estimate the time, because a lot of the bugs that or a lot of the issues that happen there are kind of self-explanatory. But in terms of software, there's so many factors that could cause it. I could say this because I worked in a manufacturing engineer. I had both things, so. Well, not maybe like the big projects, right? But if we're talking about like bug-sized issues, well, like, they're really noticeable. But you could... Yeah, I think they're really noticeable. Like, I didn't have a hard time trying to estimate how long it's gonna take. But I always call like a day or two longer so that I could kind of work on other streams. So. But, yeah. But if you're working on like a project size, that's why deadlines are so hard. So I would rather take it step by step and kind of go beyond deadline, because guys, no matter what, like if your app is super good, no matter what time it comes, like it's going to be popular, I feel like. Like, look at Tesla. You know? Who would have thought that, like, those cars, I mean, they had like their own like traits, but they won again. Like, they're popular. Everyone knows Tesla. And it might be because like the CEO is kind of like, but in my decade as a designer, I've never really seen agile work in reality. Yeah, oh my god. I had an agile coach try to have a what does done mean when he missed. Oh, oh. That's, oh, those type of conversations? Ooh. Yeah, and designers are really hard too. But I never liked working with designers. Sorry you're a designer, but those people, at least the ones that I worked with, were so hard. Like, clients would come back to me and they were like, I hate this. Like, this doesn't explain anything that we've asked for. And I'm like, oh. And I talked to the designer and they're like, this is piece of artwork. You're dissing my designing? Like, what the F? And I'm like, dude, I'm just a PM. I just, you know, I'm not even a PM. I'm just delivering message from the customers. And to persuade them, or like to have that talk of, no, your design's fine. It's not your fault. It's just that the customer's having that issue. Blah, blah, blah. This gets to a point. It was just so bad. Oh, it's just so bad. Anyways, I think this is good enough for my front end to work with. We'll have something fun for, like, content-wise stuff for next week, programming / marketing for Tweety. So for my homepage and actually program minor bugs, will happen more when you guys are actually working, so that you guys can like stop by to chat with me if you guys are bored and you guys are having like a 10-minute break from work. But I will also be focusing more towards work at the time, so that I don't have to be forced to talk. Right? So I'll call it a day. We did like a good 4 or 3 to 3 hours of stream. I actually started at 7. I was having like technical difficulties, but I think we got a lot done. Thank you for people for helping me out. I think, did you post it? It should be in terminals. If you're having trouble, it's right here. We're done. Yeah. I will look into what I need to work more on the homepage, because like people are asking, like if they're asking what I'm doing, it's better to say, hey, just go visit Jinri.co instead of this is what I do and like explaining. So I think that's what I will do. Anything else? I don't have anything else. Yeah, it will be Claire, Minzy, Iris. I mean, take out Iris. As in, she's everywhere. Like, if you don't get her, swear to God, you don't watch her well. Uni's there. Yummy, Plummy is there. So, those 5, mandatory. I think Plummy might not be there, so. Boston is crying? Why? Okay. Anything else you guys want to talk about? You know. Really? Yeah, it really sucks. So everything has to be done manually. It's so stupid. Oh, is it really hard? Okay, we'll work on it like after. Like anything else. We'll like. I'll go on Discord. Guys, so we're partying on Discord for raid. We'll have a raid party. Anyways, I'm done for today. We'll call it a day. We'll raid to someone in this field. Dude, Mia's playing piano. Should we just raid Mia again? Just do kind of like a back and forth, like, you know, you gave me yours, I'll give you back yours. You're at 17? Okay, well, we'll do kind of like a party on Discord. So if you guys want to join, feel free. And I'm raiding Mia. And I'm just... Well, she's streaming. Surprise! I am going to my channel. So, thank you guys for listening. I had fun. Thank you for all the developers out there. Yes, come to Discord. Terminal is where you guys should watch me. I also want you guys to follow my programming channel, which I don't have up, but it should be on my Discord because I'm gonna upload all my fun stuff there. Like, yeah, I don't have it, Profu. I'm not a prepared streamer. Like, you know me, Profu. Like, how long do I have to tell you about myself, man? But yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you again for coming. I'm gonna rate her. Thank you, Iris, for being an amazing mod. You're a good mod. So yeah, have fun watching Mia with her piano skills. Obviously, it's amazing. Bye, guys. Come to Discord to talk more about the raids and the raid party. If you guys have any questions related to programming, feel free to ask. But we're back on, guys. We're back on programming. So, yeah. That's all. Bye, guys.